Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google Maps on your phone or desktop. Once done, go straight to Saved, then Labeled, and select Home. You do this because the Home label links to your account profile. Changing it updates directions across devices. Make sure location services are on for accuracy, and confirm which Google account is active if you have multiple profiles. Now you're at the home entry, don't exit, you'll edit the address in the next step. You'll press Edit or the pencil icon to change the home address. Type the full street address first, then use the map pin to nudge the exact location. This ensures navigation routes start from the correct point. Make sure to select the suggested address that matches your intended place, because an approximate match can misroute you. After adjusting, tap Save, then immediately run a quick test route to confirm distances and travel time update as expected, which validates the change across the app. You've saved the new home address, so now let it sync. Changes usually propagate within minutes across devices tied to your account. Make sure to relaunch the app and, if needed, restart your phone to force sync. If the address still doesn't update, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in. This often resolves stale data. As a final check, open Maps in incognito or on a different device to confirm the update. One troubleshooting tip: if pin placement is wrong, re-edit and drop the pin precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.